in today's tutorial, she has had disabled the remote desktop application on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what we have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings, open that up. On the left panel, select system, and then on the right side, scroll down and select the advanced option. And then scrolling down again underneath virtual workspace, select remote desktop. And then up at the top where it says remote desktop, click inside that oval to toggle it off and then disable remote desktop on your Dell computer. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.